Email deliverability is defined as your email message successfully arriving in your customer's inbox. If it ends up in the spam or junk folder, or it gets blocked by an ISP, that's a deliverability failure.
I'm Darlene, this is Emily, and we're going to explain what email deliverability is, identify factors that influence it, and share best practices for optimization.
In general, there are 5 areas that influence deliverability: reputation, authentication, infrastructure, so the hardware or software used to send your email, the content of your email, and recipient experience, like personalization and easy unsubscribes.
In each of these areas, there are several factors that can negatively or positively influence email deliverability. In this video, we're going to focus on reputation-related factors.
Every time an email arrives at an ISP, it runs reputation checks on 3 things: the server or IP address from which the email was sent, the sender or the address from which the email was sent, and any domain links included in the email's content.
If any of these 3 aspects have a bad rep, then the email will likely be blocked at the server level and never see the recipient's inbox.
The first aspect, the server or IP address from which the email was sent, well, that's your email marketing provider, so in this case, GoDaddy.
And since we've been around for more than 20 years, we've established relationships with the world's most important ISPs. So you're pretty much golden here.
The second aspect evaluated is you. It's your email address or the domain name from which you send your emails. One of the best ways to ensure a spotless reputation is by maintaining a healthy subscriber list.
A healthy, high-quality list is full of email addresses that have opted in, are accurate, and actively used.
You can buy an email list, but it significantly increases your chances of being marked as spam. Be very careful. It takes surprisingly few spam complaints before an ISP decides to block you.
Additionally, having addresses in your list that are inaccurate, old, or no longer being used can lead to negative factors like a high bounce rate or spam traps.
Spam traps are old email addresses from accounts that haven't been logged into for years. When ISPs start seeing spam traps, they assume the worst and may even start sending your emails to the spam folder.
Sender domains that have spam complaints, high bounce rates, and spam traps can end up on a blacklist. And these are lists of sender domains and IP addresses that have been caught sending email spam.
Emails sent from blacklisted domains or servers will almost certainly be blocked by the ISP, or at best, land in junk. So it's absolutely critical to try to stay off of them.
While GoDaddy email marketing includes blacklist monitoring, using only opt-in addresses and keeping your list clean are the best ways to avoid them in the first place.
The final reputation check is evaluating all the domain links included in your email content, which is a pretty easy factor to address.
Yeah, so just make sure you proofread your email and test out all the links in the email to make sure they're going to live, reputable web pages, no 404s or questionable content.
Those are just a few of the reputation-related factors that can influence deliverability. I'm Emily, that's Darlene, thanks for watching.